Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto green. Achieving that beautiful, vibrant green color in your homemade pesto is easier than you might think, and it starts with a simple technique. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your pesto looks as good as it tastes, from selecting the right basil to the final blending process. Get ready to transform your pesto game with these straightforward tips and tricks. The first critical step is blanching your basil. Bring a medium pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully submerge your fresh basil leaves into the boiling water for just 15 to 30 seconds. This quick dip helps set the vibrant green chlorophyll. Immediately after, transfer the blanched basil into a bowl of ice water. This cold shock stops the cooking process, preserving that bright green hue we are aiming for. When it comes to blending, a few tricks will keep your pesto bright. After blanching and drying your basil, add it to your food processor with the other ingredients. Incorporate 1 or 2 tablespoons of ice water during blending. This helps maintain a lower temperature and prevents oxidation. Blend quickly in short pulses, avoiding overprocessing, which can generate heat and dull the color. Aim for a smooth, yet slightly textured consistency. Proper storage is key to keeping your pesto green for longer. Once your pesto is made, transfer it to an airtight container. To prevent oxidation, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface, creating a protective seal. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze pesto in small portions, perhaps in ice cube trays, for up to 3 months. This ensures you always have vibrant pesto ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.